As part of the emotional regulation kit, you'll have received a set of emotional regulation cards, and you will also need your dice with your 6 core emotions. So before you play the game, it's important that you really go through each of the regulation cards first. Talk about what they are, describe the picture. So for instance, oh, here baby's taking deep breaths. Let's try that one together. Or here baby's going for a walk. You know what? If I'm feeling a little bit worried about something and I go for a walk, that can really make me feel better. Or listen to music. Sometimes if I'm feeling a bit sad and I listen to music, this can really help cheer me up. So once your child is familiar with all of these different strategies, then you're ready to play the game. So you could roll the dice and see what it lands on. So say for instance, it lands on angry face. So you can do the angry face together, have a lot of fun with this. So you'll take it out and say, okay, so when I'm feeling angry, what could I do? Now there's no right or wrong answer here. This is very individual, very much up to you and your family and your child what suits best. So you might model a response first and say, when I'm feeling angry, I like to take deep breaths. This really helps me. Or I could go for a walk, so we could give a choice. Now it's really important to remember that as adults, the best way to teach emotional regulation strategies to our child is by modeling using them ourselves. And as parents, inevitably, we are going to experience these big feelings. So the next time you find yourself getting a little bit angry or a little bit frustrated, name that emotion for your child afterwards. You can really describe it and say, you know what, mommy got a bit angry and I know I yelled. Next time I get angry, I'm going to try taking deep breaths or maybe going for a walk. I think that might help my body feel better. So then the next time you sit down to do this activity together, these visuals will really serve as a reminder of how your child can regulate their own bodies when experiencing these big feelings.